Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the US Bank Shield Visa credit card. Whether you're considering a new credit card or you're just curious about what US Bank has to offer, this video will provide all the details you need. We'll explore its features, the benefits, the pricing, and even discuss some alternatives. So let's get started. The US Bank Shield Visa card is a recent addition to US Bank's credit card lineup, which was launched in March 2025. It's designed to offer customers a blend of financial flexibility and rewards, with a focus on low introductory rates and cashback incentives. It's tailored for those who want to manage their finances smartly while earning some perks along the way. Now let us dive into the main features of the card, what makes it stand out. First is the low introductory APR. For a limited time, you enjoy a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 24 billing cycles. This is particularly beneficial if you're planning a significant purchase or looking to consolidate existing credit card debts. You earn cashback on travel. You earn 4% cashback when you book prepaid air, hotels, and car rentals through the US Bank Travel Center directly in the Reward Center. This is a great incentive for frequent travelers. Annual statement credits. You receive a $20 automatic statement credit each year, provided you make purchases in 11 consecutive months and your account remains in good standing. It's a simple way to get rewarded for consistent use. Flexible redemption options. You can redeem your cashback as a statement credits, direct deposit into a US account, or other available options, giving you flexibility in how you use your rewards. Purchase protection benefits. You can benefit from purchase protection, which can provide peace of mind when buying new items, knowing that you're covered against certain types of loss or damages. Now here's a tip. To qualify for the US Bank Shield Visa card, applicants need typically a credit score of at least 700, which falls into the good to excellent range. This aligns with US Bank's general requirements for their top-tier credit cards. While a credit score is a significant factor, US Bank also considers other aspects such as the income, the existing debt, and recent credit inquiries during the application process. The US Bank Shield Visa card is also particularly advantageous for those looking to manage existing debt or finance significant purchases. It offers a 0% introductory APR on both purchases and balance transfers for the first 24 billing cycles, which is among the longest promotional periods available. This feature allows cardholders to pay down balances or spread out the cost of large expenses without accruing interest during this time. However, it's important to note that balance transfers must be initiated within 60 days of account opening to qualify for the promotional rates, and a balance transfer fee of 5% with a $5 minimum applies. After the introductory period, a variable APR ranging from 17.74% to 28.74% will apply, depending on your credit worthiness. Now let us talk about the pricing, the cost associated with the card. The annual fee. There is no annual fee. This makes it accessible for those who want to avoid extra charges. The introductory APR. As mentioned, you enjoy 0% on purchases and balance transfers for the first 24 billing cycles. Late payment fee. If you miss a payment, a late fee will apply, so it's essential to stay on top of your due dates. A foreign transaction fee. Be aware that there may be fees for transactions made outside the US, so it's something to consider if you travel internationally. What are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. Generous introductory APR period, which is longer than many competitors. There is no annual fee, which makes it cost effective. There are attractive cashback rates on travel bookings, and additional perks like purchase protection and annual statement credits. How about the cons? The highest cashback rates are limited to bookings through the US Bank Travel Center. There are potential foreign transaction fees that could add up for international travelers. And after the introductory periods, the variable APR could be high depending on your credit score. In summary though, the US Bank Shield Visa card offers a compelling package for those seeking a no annual fee card with a lengthy 0% introductory APR and travel-related cashback rewards. It's particularly suited for individuals planning significant purchases or looking to transfer balances from higher interest cards. However, if you frequently travel abroad or you prefer more flexible cashback categories, you might want to consider other options. As always, assess your spending habits and financial goals to determine if this card aligns with your needs. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore US Bank Cash plus Visa Signature Card, Altitude Go Visa Signature Card, and Smartly Visa Signature Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.